Just 50 kilometres north of Adelaide, a bold new precinct is leading the way in sustainable development. Dublin Green is a future-ready community that brings together renewable energy, advanced infrastructure and a circular economy where organic waste becomes power, water and fertiliser to support the precinct. Strategically located in the Adelaide Plains, it's a scalable model that aligns with South Australia's priorities for housing, jobs and infrastructure in the north, and a compelling opportunity for future-focused investment. 1,370 hectares of land will form a revolutionary precinct in alignment with South Australia's environmental and renewable energy goals. Home to a sustainable industrial estate, extensive vertical agriculture, a local mining claim, conservation reserve, 1,300 new houses, up to 5 megawatts of energy produced through cogeneration technology and the latest NBN full fibre connectivity. This is Dublin Green, South Australia's latest circular economy precinct. Organic and agricultural waste from surrounding businesses, homes and farms become tomorrow's resources at Dublin Green as cogeneration technology converts the waste into energy, irrigation, water, food-grade CO2 and fertiliser products to be used throughout the precinct.
The Dublin community, their waste product will go into the bioreactor. It will create a biogas which then can be turned into electricity, which will be used again in that same community to lower their electricity bills and for the purpose of reusing what would have otherwise been waste to landfill.
In an area like Dublin, there is agricultural waste available. There is also waste from commercial businesses, in this case a core group.
You know, we're really excited about what Dublin Green can do for our business. Whatever we do in hotels, we know that there's always going to be some kind of waste. So creating sustainable energy is something that we're very interested in, and we think that that's not only good for the environment, but it's also good for the economy and good for our hotel owners. At Accor, we're really proud to have signed an MOU with Dublin Green as part of the circular economy. And what that means for our properties is that we take that food waste and we put it into creating sustainable energy. And when you take real waste and convert it into real energy, what can be greener than that?
The energy produced at Dublin Green powers Dublin Green and, supplemented with solar panels and battery storage, allows the community to run cleaner and work alongside SA's power network and boost its capacity. The microgrid creates sustainable self-reliance, energy security and cost savings for all operations and residences in the precinct. Cost savings creating a more affordable and more livable community. Dublin Green will become SA's leading example in the Australian Government's economic plans for future made in Australia and a workplace for the expanding Adelaide Plains population.
Dublin Green have been working closely with Adelaide Plains Council in strategically developing Dublin Green, which gives an ability for emerging markets in employment. We have the ability to host a logistics company on site, vertical agriculture, food security for the food bowl, and manufacturing of housing products.
Operating businesses at Dublin Green equals unmatched advantages in cost efficiency, innovation and sustainability. Every business contributes to and benefits from an interconnected network of resources, driving mutual success. Businesses will also be connected to NBN full fibre infrastructure and to efficient transport networks via Port Wakefield Road and nearby rail corridors, making it an ideal hub for manufacturing, logistics and agriculture to thrive in a growing, innovative region.